Ever find yourself yearning for something more, dreaming of talents or moments beyond your grasp? It's a common human experience. Yet what if we told you that everything required for a truly fulfilling life is already within your reach? Welcome to Sayulita Wellness Retreat, your sanctuary for a few precious minutes of meditation, designed to unlock the boundless abundance that life offers. Find a quiet spot, let your eyes fall shut, and join us as we breathe deeply, embracing the air around us, and with each exhale, releasing the weight of unmet desires and worries. True abundance transcends material wealth. It's the richness of gratitude, the wealth of health, and the prosperity of love. This meditation invites you to awaken to the fullness that surrounds you. Inhale deeply, drawing in the world's generosity. Exhale slowly, letting go of scarcity, creating space for gratitude and love to flourish within you. Picture each concern or longing as a leaf on a river, gently floating away. Observe them drift off, leaving you lighter, more present, and open to the infinite abundance life extends. Abundance thrives when we shift from I lack to I am blessed with more than enough. Embrace this change, allowing peace and satisfaction to permeate your essence. As we gently conclude our meditation, carry this sense of abundance with you into the world. It's not about possessing everything, but finding everything you need within what you already have. We're grateful you chose to share this moment of abundance with us at Sayulita Wellness Retreat. May this sense of fullness accompany you today and always. Embark on further journeys of discovery and abundance with us here at Sayulita Wellness Retreat. For more guided meditations and transformative experiences, please visit our channel and consider subscribing.